Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing and review of a Redmi 9A smartphone. Okay, so you can see this is the box of Redmi 9A. Now quickly unbox it and see what we get inside it. So here we get the phone. You can see, okay, it is in midnight black. Okay, let's keep this aside and see what we get inside the box. So this is the small box, and here we get here's the SIM ejector tool, and if you see inside, okay, this is the reading manual. Just keep this aside. And guys, this is the charger. Okay, so this is the charger, and if we talk about its output, here you can see it gives you 5 volt 2 ampere. Okay, so it is not a fast charger. And guys, disappointed. Okay, I'm really disappointed with that. You get micro USB to USB cable. Okay, I suppose that it would be USB type C. Okay, let's keep this aside and come to the phone. So here's the phone itself. Quickly remove its plastic cover, and you can see it is in midnight black. It is also available in nature green and sea blue. Okay, phone looks great. Plastic, it is in plastic. Here you can see plastic back, polycarbonate material. And if we talk about its physical overview, okay, on top we get 3.5 mm headphone jack, and on this side we get the volume up and down and power key, and on bottom we get the main speaker, micro USB port and main microphone, and here we get the SIM tray. Okay, now quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. Okay, so this is a good thing. It supports dual nano SIM card plus dedicated micro SD card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card. Okay, and if we talk about the back, it has 13 megapixel rear camera over there with flash. Here you can see, and this is here you can see over there a design of a Redmi, and in front it has 5 megapixel front camera over there. Okay, now quickly boot up the device and set it up. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has MediaTek Helio G25 12nm octa-core processor. It has 6.5-inch IPS LCD HD plus screen. If we talk about the internal storage, it has 32.3 and 32.2 GB internal storage variant available. It has dual nano SIM card with the micro SD card slot support. If we talk about the rear camera, it has single rear camera, 13 megapixel f2.2 aperture, and it has 5 megapixel f2.2 aperture front camera. If we talk about the battery, it has 5000 mAh battery which supports 10 watt charging. And if we talk about the software, it has Android 10 running on MIUI 12, and for security it has AI face unlock available. So here you can see I have set up the device. This is the UI of Redmi 9A. If you select from top, here we get the notification bar. Helpful quick settings are available, and brightness setting is also available. You can see you can adjust brightness. And if we select from bottom, we get the Google Assistant. Okay, and if we slide here, we get the feedback, Google feedback. This is, and here we get the app. Some bloatware are installed, you can easily uninstall it. Okay, now quickly go to settings and check how much storage we get out of 32 GB. So if you go in about phone, so here you can see in storage 11.2 GB occupied out of 32 GB. You can see, okay, some animated features available there. You can see green color, orange color, and space gray color. Here you can see other apps and data, images, audio, video, APKs, document, and system. Here you can see all storage data available here. You can also free up the space, and here's the deep clean feature is also available. And if we talk about the MIUI version, you can see MIUI Global 12.0.2 stable. And if we talk about the Android version, you can see it is running on Android 10, and the Android security patch level is of 1.7.2020. And here many features available. MI mover, here's the factory reset, backup and restore. And if you go in all specs, okay, here you can see the all specs: RAM, CPU, Android version, Android security patch level, MIUI version, model name, baseband version and kernel version. And here you can see the internal storage, and here's the phone status. Okay, now quickly go back and check its camera performance. It has a single rear camera. So if we go in camera, this is the UI of rear camera. If we tap here, we get the portrait mode, and in more you can see time-lapse short video. And if we edit, we can edit feature. You can see we can drag it. Okay, and here we get the video, and here we get the pro mode. Okay, so quickly go to photo, and if we tap here, by tapping it we can enable or disable it. And if we go here, so here we see photo size 1:1, 3:4, 9:16 full. And this is the timer: 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. And this is the settings, the show grid lines, and this is the tilt shift. If we go in settings, okay, add time stamped on photos is available, scan QR codes. And if we talk about the picture quality, high, standard and low are available, and volume button function is available. You can see shutter to countdown, zoom and volume. Focus and shoot feature is available, which is a really good thing. And if we talk about the anti-banding, it is up to 60 Hz. So here we also customize it. You can see feature layout, camera modes, colors and sound. Okay, now quickly take a photo and check the camera quality of Redmi 9A. And wait, if we tap here, this is the Google Lens. Okay, this is the Google Lens, and this is the filters with the beauty mode. And by tapping it, we can enable AI camera. And here's the HDR, tap to turn it on, auto and off. And this is the flash, same for this, tap turn in on, auto, off and fill light as a torch. Okay, now quickly take a photo. It is in indoor light condition. Okay, it captures very fastly. Guys, I would like to say camera quality is good. Here you can see in this price range the camera quality is good. Here you can see if we zoom in, we didn't lose the photo quality details. Here you can see. And if we talk about the color rendering, it captures natural color without any exposure. Here you can see without any exposure. Let's take another photo in AI camera. Okay, it might take some time to focus. Okay, let's take another photo. Yeah, guys, I would like to say camera quality is good. Here you can see the camera quality is good. No exposure. And if we talk about the color rendering, it captures real colors. Here you can see. And if we zoom in, we didn't lose the photo details. Here you can see. So In this price range, camera quality is good. Okay, now quickly go back and check its face unlock performance. It has AI face unlock security. Okay, now I'm going to check it. I'm not seeing. I see and it unlock. You can see. I see and it unlock. Okay, now you can see me. Okay, it's unlocked. Again try. Guys, I would like to say the face unlock performance is really very fast and responsive. It is really very fast and responsive. Here you can see. I'm not seeing. Here you can see and it's unlocked. Okay, the face unlock performance is really very fast and responsive. Okay, so guys, this is the unboxing and review of a Redmi 9A smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.